Geotechnical investigation services in Faridabad City play a crucial role in the design and construction of various infrastructure projects. These services involve the evaluation of soil and rock properties, as well as the determination of the potential risks associated with the site. Geotechnical investigations are essential to ensure the safety and stability of structures, such as buildings, roads, bridges, and dams. Faridabad City, located in the state of Haryana, is experiencing rapid urbanization and infrastructure development. With an increasing number of construction projects taking place in the city, the need for geotechnical investigation services has become even more significant. These services help engineers and architects understand the ground conditions and make informed decisions regarding foundation design, slope stability, and earthworks. One of the key aspects of geotechnical investigation is soil testing. Soil samples are collected from various depths and analyzed in laboratories to determine their physical and mechanical properties, such as grain size distribution, moisture content, compaction characteristics, shear strength, and permeability. This information is then used to assess the suitability of the soil for different types of foundations and to design appropriate foundation systems. In addition to soil testing, geotechnical investigations also involve site reconnaissance and subsurface exploration. Site reconnaissance involves a visual inspection of the site to identify any potential geological hazards or existing infrastructure that could affect the construction process. Subsurface exploration, on the other hand, involves drilling boreholes or excavating test pits to obtain samples of soil and rock for further analysis. In Faridabad City, geotechnical investigation services are essential to the planning and execution of numerous infrastructure projects. These services include assessing the characteristics of the soil and rocks as well as identifying any potential concerns related to the location. To guarantee the security and stability of structures like buildings, highways, bridges, and dams, geotechnical investigations are crucial. The infrastructure in Faridabad City, which is in the state of Haryana, is developing quickly. The necessity for geotechnical investigation services has grown significantly as more development projects are being undertaken in the city. These services assist engineers and architects in comprehending the ground conditions and informing judgments about the design of foundations, the stability of slopes, and earthworks. Soil testing is a crucial component of geotechnical inquiry. To identify the physical and mechanical features of soil, such as grain size distribution, moisture content, compaction traits, shear strength, and permeability, soil samples are taken from a variety of depths and studied in laboratories. The suitability of the soil for various types of foundations is then determined using this information, and the proper foundation systems are subsequently designed. Geotechnical investigations also entail subsurface research and site reconnaissance in addition to soil testing. Site reconnaissance entails a visual examination of the location to spot any potential geological dangers or existing infrastructure that can influence the development process.